Need to extract audio from a video already on your device. This workflow is useful when you own the video and need an audio-only copy. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open Video to MP3 Converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a source file. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Use a higher bitrate for music and a lower one for spoken material. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces an MP3 containing the first supported audio track. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Uncommon codecs may not be available in a browser build. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.